Hi, I'm Edd China. I'm here to explain to you some simple car maintenance jobs. Next up is to protect the engine with some oil additive. All you need for this is a bottle of Cera Tec oil additive, some gloves and a bit of paper towel. Now there's nothing too complicated about this job. You just get your can of Cera Tec, give it a really good shake to mix up the solids that are actually in the liquid. And then you pop it in to the engine oil filler cap. Now oil additive like this provides ceramic wear protection, which basically reduces the friction around all of the moving parts. And a real nice benefit of that is it'll also get better fuel consumption, which is not bad considering it's such an easy job. Just pop the filler cap back on, and we're ready to go for a drive to get all those little particles in all the nooks and crannies. Well, thanks to this stuff, this beautiful V6 is going to be purring for many miles to come, rain or shine.